Welcome to Mark Dodge, where we pioneered a better way to purchase a vehicle with our factory order program. Here's just a few of the benefits our customers enjoy. We have a dedicated team of professionals who specialize solely in custom factory orders. That's all they do. They will provide you a personalized service throughout your purchase. You'll have the opportunity to customize your vehicle to choose the model, trim, color, packages, and options that you want. You're not limited to what is in stock or what is most popular. Any available configuration can be yours. Your order specialist will help navigate this process, all from the comfort of your home or your phone. We price all factory orders to be the most competitive. Your order specialist will quote your Mark Dodge price with no additional fees or surprises when you take delivery. As the #1 volume dealer of factory orders on these 4 brands, we are able to pass on significant cost savings to you, our customer. If you are located in an area of the country where dealers are charging at or above MSRP, you have an alternative: Mark Dodge. When you place your order, you are price protected from price increases. If the factory increases the MSRP, even on your vehicle's window sticker, your Mark Dodge sale price stays the same. Your non-refundable deposit, combined with your order agreement, locks in your vehicle pricing. All paperwork can be completed 100% remotely, meaning you don't have to set foot in our dealership unless you want to. In addition, if you'd like to review your finance paperwork before signing, we can provide it in advance of meeting with our finance team or completing your signing. Select a lender of your choice or take advantage of the national lenders we work with. You're in complete control. Our logistics team will coordinate delivery of your vehicle right to your home. We deliver the vehicle or pick you up for no additional charge within a 250-mile radius of Mark Dodge. Beyond that, we'll use our network of shippers to help you choose the best way to get your new vehicle in your driveway. Thank you for choosing Mark Dodge. We're ready to serve you.